I am trying out this REVANT gel eyeliner. Now this eyeliner is very intense color, long wearing, and it's waterproof. All right, so today I'm gonna put this on, and the only thing I'll be putting on my face is a little lipstick, and I'm gonna use these gel eyeliners. They come in magnificent colors. Green, like a forest green, gray, purple, brown, blue, and black. And I am going to be using the black and the brown today. And I'll show you all the colors that I put on my arm so I can show you how vibrant these colors are. I have a lighted mirror right in front of me, so I'll be looking down into my mirror. And these, they just roll up like this. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna do the eyeliner. And these are great for mature skin. There, you can see the difference already. Wow. Okay, so I'm going to put black eyeliner. Then I'm going to use the brown for my eyebrows. Let's see how that looks. I'm going to do a little fill in on the brows here. Good. I like it because it's so creamy. It feels so creamy going on. Oh wow, that feels really, really nice. My eyebrows are not even at all. But look at there, that looks good. I'm going to try this green on top of my lids just to get a little contrast here. Look at how smooth that goes on. It's very smooth and creamy. Nice. Yeah, it just glides. It glides on. Now I'll put a little lipstick on and we'll take a before and after picture and you guys will see. Change the whole dynamics of the face.